I recently got myself a new electrostatic discharge mat, and it came with a few pieces here, and I originally wasn't sure how it went together, so I'm gonna show you this thing here. It slides over the plug, and then it slides into an outlet here. Okay. Then this piece here will ultimately clip onto a snap that I'm gonna place onto my mat, and I kind of want it here in the middle. And then it didn't come with a hole in it, so I'm gonna have to make a hole in it. So I grabbed a drill bit that would fit about the size of this little ring here in the middle of this piece that came with it. So I'm gonna put this into my drill real quick. Find about center. Now I'm gonna try to slide that piece I just had in through the center of my hole I just made. I'll try to slide the washer into the back, see what happens. Now, this thing would have been nice if this thing came with directions, but it didn't. So this is what I get. We'll see if it fits. Oh yeah, there it is. So it's the backing, then the mat, then the washer, and the snap, and then the screw. Okay, so then it looks like my wristband snaps onto this, which plugs into here, which runs over into my outlet. All right, thanks.